Alright, I decided to get closer, see what all the geese are chatting about, see if I can get some night footage of these noisy boys and ladies. Here's some ducks in there too. This is at a lake, Crescent Lake in Portage la Prairie. So, let's see if we can get a closer look. Go for a nice walk. 3 in the morning. This is 3:30 a.m. Central Time. The sky is nice and clear. You can just hear them. They're just yelling out there. Can't quite see them. I don't know. Let's see. See if we can zoom in on. They are pretty noisy. Let's see if we can see any shore goers. Maybe they're just enjoying the water tonight. The beauty of nature. Honestly, it's music to the ears. They're just going at it. Sounds like there's a ton way over that way. Yeah, around 2:45 a.m. they just upped their volume. It's like they were being attacked or something. Unless the seagulls startled them. Sounds like there's a lot of them. Seagulls, ducks, geese. It works. Oh, hear them splashing? There they go. Taking off. Let's see if we can get a zoom in on that. Luckily there's background lights so you can see a backdrop for them. It's so cool. Doing some nighttime practice, it looks like. Quite a few of them. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that. Time to go for a nice walk amongst this. Take care for now.